Hey guys, Jet Tila here with another food tech gear review. This machine next to me is the M1 cold press juicer from Good Nature. Now I know Good Nature because they have been the industry leader in true commercial, very large scale cold press juicing. They've made a smaller unit just for the home. Now, it's small is a relative word. It is 70 pounds. It is $4,900. This is not mine, by the way. They gave me one to play with to do a very honest review. So let's do one. It claims it'll take 1.5 to 2.5 pounds of fruit and give you 24 ounces of fruit in less than 3 minutes, right? It's supposed to be easy to use, easy to clean. It's supposed to be the best out there. The only way to find out is to put it to the Tila test. So I'm excited. Let's get into the Good Nature M1. So I wanted to start with a total morning juice. Ginger, a bunch of different fruits, some greens. Everyone's on that celery kick, so I wanted to give it different textures, different flavors, and see how it would do. Who doesn't like pineapple? And a little lemon for some deliciousness. The main body weighs a ton, but you don't ever have to move it. All the pieces in black and metal are the chute, the grinder, the plunger, and then the bottom, which is part of the pneumatic press. All that can be removed and sanitized. And here's something super cool that they've adopted from the big commercial machine. The fruit actually gets grinded and then pushed into these very fine, almost cheesecloth-like bags. The cool thing is the bags are totally compostable and removable. All right, so loading the machine with all the different textures. I'm gonna really load it hard. Slide the pint glass down below to catch the drips. That first button is the grinder, and as you can see, it just takes apart all that fruit. The second button is a pneumatic press, and that's how it actually presses the juice out. And check it out. I mean, this thing really squeezes a lot of juice out really clean. It's a true cold press machine. It's pretty amazing. And once the juice is done, check it out. You pull that bag out with all of the remnants of the fruit, and it completely composts, very clean, very cool. So let me give you some plus and minuses here, right? The pluses are obvious. This thing crushes juices like no problem. 2.5 pounds of juice did make 24 ounces, so check, it did. It did press the juice within 3 minutes, check, it did. I really love that those little bags that they give you to capture all the fruit are totally compostable, bag and all, so you don't have a lot of waste. It's super easy to take apart and clean and sanitize. So here's some negative. This thing's a beast. It weighs more than my oldest child, right? It takes up decent amount of counter space, but I gotta tell you, if you are a restaurant that wants to do your own cold pressed juices or a juice shop, this is an amazing unit. If you're a store that's selling juices, this will do that. And if you're a person that has the means and the capacity for this kind of unit, nothing juices like it out there in the market so far. So my verdict, it's a total buy.